Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online lessons. As I may have mentioned before, the foreign language that I speak best, to be honest, the only foreign language I speak with any real degree of competence is Indonesian, as a result of spending time there, living there in the 1990s. And also, I guess, because of the fact that my wife is originally Indonesian, even though now her English is way better than I could ever dream of my Indonesian being. Anyway, sometimes in front of our kids, or when we're out and about, we do slip into Indonesian together because it gives us our own private language that we can speak away from prying ears. Yesterday we were coming back on the bus from a meal out to celebrate Valentine's Day, and we were chatting away in Indonesian whilst a guy next to us was looking at us sort of with great interest. Suddenly, he interrupted the conversation by saying, "Sorry to butt in, but can I just ask, are you two talking Indonesian?" When we said yes we were, he then proceeded to tell us at great and tedious length all about his holiday last year in Bali. If you butt in, you interrupt a conversation or a discussion, or you interrupt someone who's in the middle of talking. So it's often a way of fairly politely interrupting a conversation that you're not part of. So you might hear somebody say something and say, "Hey, I'm really sorry to butt in, but did I just hear you say you've come back from Accra in Ghana? Oh, my cousin's over there at the moment." Or, "I'm really sorry to butt in, but can I just make a quick announcement to the class? There's going to be a staff meeting on Friday afternoon, so there won't be any lessons for you lot." You might also use it in the middle of a discussion. Maybe you often hear it on radio programs, actually, where someone's talking and maybe the presenter wants to interrupt them, and the presenter will say, "Hi, Michael, Michael, sorry to butt in here, Michael, but I'm afraid we need to move on to the next caller. Thank you very much for making your point." You can also use the phrase when you're talking about people's annoying habits. So you might say, for example, "God, I wish you would just stop butting in when I'm talking. Oh, this guy, he was driving me mad. He kept butting in with these stupid comments." And maybe if you feel that someone's asking too many questions about your personal life, getting too involved in your personal affairs, you might say to them, "Listen, I didn't ask you to butt in on my personal business, so keep your nose out, alright?" If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use butt in.